With Boodlebeegan fever sweeping the galaxy, do we have an exclusive for you? Give a big wave to the singer from the north of space, Neve shimmering. I can wave my feet. Hopefully the song you're performing on Boodlebeegan isn't quite so cheesy.
This is all just a dream come true. That is, if you dream about entering Boodlebeegan, I mean, which I do. But I also once dreamt that I was a bouncy castle and only cactuses could jump for me. So it's not that dream come true, I hope.
Okay, awesome.
Oh, she's a bit different. She could score the full 10 fingers this year. Did you? Popcorn.
A bit different. I've never lost to anyone without shoes before. I've never lost to anyone with shoes either. So, watch out for the teleport button!
Why do they always put the important buttons in all the comfy spots?
This show is the ideal place to announce my entry to the Boodlebeegan Song Contest. Sid, do that beamy thing. Beamify me in.
No. 1, beamify isn't a word. 2, teleporting is a very precise and risky operation. And 3, you can't enter Boodlebeegan because...
Well, Neve, it's still anyone's guess who might win Boodlebeegan.
Actually, Bubbles, I can tell you and McLaren exactly who will win.
Is it a purple frog in a biker jacket?
What? No, neither. Me. It's me. Me-self shall be entering and winning the Boodlebeegan Song Contest. Sus.
Red hot exclusive. But Nova, how? If you're not from the Boodlebeegan galaxy, surely that's impossible.
Oh, sorting impossible things is what McLaren does. She loves it.
No going back now. She's announced it to the universe.
Sid, beamify.
Still no such word.
No, Sid, stop! You can't beam 2 pop stars at once. Oh, no. They've been hip-hopped.
I don't think I've ever had another person attached to me before.
I'm not attached to you. You're attached to me. McLaren, get her off me. I'm a solo artist. McLaren, solo.
Oh, and should I fix this impossible thing before or after the other impossible thing you want me to fix? Getting you into Boodlebeegan!
At the same time.
I can unhip-hop them. I just need to reverse the process. Same buttons, but backwards. It's easy. Well, it sounds easy.
Yes, fine, do it. What? Yes, of course Nova's eligible for Boodlebeegan. Somehow.
Simple, Sid. Remember this motto. What would Cap do?
What would Cap do? What would Cap do? What would Cap do?
Don't worry, Neve. We'll get those toes on a Boodlebeegan stage in no time.
Never mind what Cap would do. What are we gonna do?
We could get something to eat. I've never had 2 tummies before.
How do you require a working ozone layer with 0 pollution? Right, now we've established your details. I'll put them together in a planet portfolio and call you back when it's ready.
What? No, just sell me a planet. Any planet. Quickly. No, don't hang up.
So, the plan. We stay connected, we go on Boodlebeegan together, sing my song together, be amazing, astound the universe, win.
Hooray! I love singing. Just makes me want to sing. My home where I was born and raised. Hey, yo, the north of space, where everybody knows your face. Hey, yo, the north of space. Memories from the past, running barefoot in the grass. My home where I was born and raised. Hey, yo, the north of space.
Change of plan. Neither of us are going on Boodlebeegan. We'll never win with you singing like that. No way. Your singing's all shanty-ish, like a fisherman singing. Your singing smells like old fish. Not how you perform bestest.
Oh, I never thought to perform bestest. How do you perform bestest?
It's easy. You do it
Like this.
You may show how that, please do.
Welcome to lesson 1 of how to perform exactly Exactly, like Nova. Let's master the basics. Tantrums. You must tantrum. Like this!
Okay, so like this.
Remember, tantrums are a means to get what we want. We must tantrum to make sure everyone focuses on us. Try. Like this!
Nova, that was a grade A hissy fit on the tantrum scale.
Now, lesson number 2. Unreasonable demands on McLaren.
McLaren, I refuse to eat these gummies. They're all old flavors. Bring me a bowl of gummies that are a brand new flavor.
You know, Nova, maybe Neve is fine the way she is.
Gummies! No!
Right away.
Unreasonable demands while tantruming. You're an excellent student, which makes me an excellent mentor.
Which one would Captain use? I've seen him use both. Mostly to scratch his body bum, but...
Sid,
Captain, I can't reverse the hip-hop. I'll never be like you.
never mind what Cap would do. You gotta be yourself, even if that means taking off your shoes. What would Sid do?
Me? I'd walk back and forward 3 times and press that button. No, sit on that one.
Go ahead, Sid. Be yourself. Oh, I think you did it, Sid. I should have trusted you all along. Keep going, Sid. You got a whole crew to own hip hop.
Incredible. What a pairing. Your differences only magnify how truly unique you both are.
Nothing can stop us now. Nova and Neve, side by side, forever.
They're splitting up despite musical differences.
Nova, you're solo again.
So, why do I have this empty, hollow, sad emoji feeling?
Maybe because if we're not joined, you can't enter Boodlebeegan.
Boodlebeegan? Oh, I'd forgotten all about Boodlebeegan. I've done it! I've got you your very own Boodlebeegan planet! It's got a North Pole, a South Pole, islands, 0 ant people, and as a brand new Boodlebeeganian, you are eligible to enter and win the Boodlebeegan Song Contest! Yay!
But if Nova enters, then she'll beat her new friend.
Yes, but if she enters, she'll beat everyone. Sorry, Neve. Winning is what Nova does. Does I? Will I? What would Nova do?
You're watching the 66,245,678th Boodlebeegan Song Contest. And this one certainly promises to be the most recent of the lot of them.
It's really nice us all being together. Friends and family.
Popcorn. Eating it till we're sick. Ah, the true spirit of Boodlebeegan.
No, the next song's up.
Give it up for the final song of the evening, Neve Shimmering.
Come on, Neve! Let's do this!
It's Neve! Going off for space! This is fab! We should do this every year!
There once was a girl that loved to sing. Her family said she's the next big thing, but then she lost her way by trying to be somebody else. That same girl, her dream came true. She met her idol, everyone knew. She taught her how to be unique, to be like no one else. I wear my heart on my sleeve, like I did at the start. Be true to myself inside, that's where the beauty lies. I wear my heart on my sleeve, like I did at the start. Be true to myself inside, that's where the beauty lies. The idol took her hand and said, all that talent has to spread, so you should chase your dreams right now without any delay. All it took took was her advice. She guided her, she found her light. She taught her how to be herself. She showed her all her way. The moral of the story is to go find yourself, discover your glow. When you reach your destiny, you know that you finally found yourself. You finally found yourself. You finally found yourself. I wear my heart on my sleeve, like I did at the start. Be true to myself inside, that's where the beauty lies. I wear my heart on my sleeve, like I did at the start. Be true to myself inside, that's where the beauty lies.
And I think we've seen the birth of a true star here on stage.
Woo! Go to the north of space!
Come on.
She totally owned that song.
Thanks to you, you were an outstanding mentor.
I was. Which is why I've decided to turn my new Boodlebeegan planet into a Nova school of pop, bop, and being ready to rock. McLaren, tap tap. Welcome to the Nova Jones School for singers what want to perform bestest.
Now that's a motto.
There's a harmonies continent, a South Pole for cool grooves.
The McLaren Islands for learning how to pull off the impossible.
And I'm delighted to say, we've got our first sign-up.
Oi, oi, Tom McLaren. Learning to be a showbiz agent is so much cooler than being an estate agent. I feel alive. No, Nigel. My client demands a dozen dancing ant people or no deal.
Oh, now the results. Space Vacua's on 9.5 fingers. Neve needs 10 to win.
It's the final fingers next for Neve Shimmering. Nail-biting stuff.
No matter how many fingers Neve gets, she did us all proud tonight.
Sorry you didn't get to appear on the show, though, Nova.
Actually, I might have pulled off the impossible. Again.
Wait, you don't actually mean...
So give it up for our special guest announcer, making her very first appearance on Boodlebeegan, the one, the only, Nova James.
I told him that. Not bad, eh, did you? Did you?
It's so amazing to be here. So, will it be 10 fingers for Neve Shimmering in the north of space? For the first time in the history of Boodlebeegan, the score is 15 out of 10!